know Harl's made it.
Look, I feel like Mozart. Reload the bag, I ain't passing if we bogart, they got no chance. I watch these snakes but I take no part. Came face to face with a cobra, he spat poison like a blow dog. This shit be no dogs. I tell a bitch next time you trip, send a postcard. These hoes be doing laps like they on go-karts. Cold hearts, at least I know who my bros are. I can't wait till the show starts, okay, yeah. What? Volcano supernova. I tell her baby bend it over, take it like a soldier. She let that super soaker, now she asking where I'm closer. Never sober, so she open to exposure. Tell her ride it like a motor, but don't drive it like a Skoda. Flexible like she the yoga, told her I just need composure. Yeah, she picked me out to be a stoner, hey. Damn. Volcano supernova. Fucking put me in a coma, weighing up this coca. Take that weight off my shoulders, smiling like the Joker. I look to you like I don't know you, tell her ride the roller coaster. Awkward posture, she don't mix too well with vodka. Doctor, I think she the real imposter. I told her I just need to prosper. She paid me out to be the monster, okay. Sitting in this misty room, ain't no shit to lose. I don't see no smoke, all I see is fumes. Won't see no days on my feet, I got white tee on my shoes. No forgive me if I sin, I just smoke forbidden fruit. Tell the truth in my confessions, I'm repenting in the booth. Please don't get this shit confused, I'm not prepared to pull the truth. Then I'm flexing shirt and ties and everybody follows suit. I don't think we understand like what he said, do not confuse. Volcano supernova, up the woolies where I go. She I know bipolar. She sipping rum and Coca-Cola like she sniffed that Yoda. I wanna roll it, she just wanna roll it over. Tell her ride it like a roller. You do well for your persona. Living life like Frank Cosa, I'm Beethoven the composer. Yeah, I paint the picture for the eyes of the beholder. Yeah. Hey, volcano supernova. Fucking put me in a coma, weighing up this coca. Take that weight off my shoulders, smiling like the Joker. I look to you like I don't know you, tell her ride the roller coaster. Awkward posture, she don't mix too well with vodka. Doctor, I think she the real imposter. I told her I just need to prosper. She picked me up to be the monster, okay.
Yo, running to the door and I'm running with my squad. Step through women like, oh my god. Stack, I'm trying to build like Bob. The man talk shit, I'm really on my job. Running to the door and I'm running with my team. GDC, I know you know mine. G's, I don't give a shit if you don't like me. Just pass me the flame, I wanna smoke my trees. They wanna stop me, but I ain't slowing down. I was broke back then, but I'm growing now. And these days, man, love to turn up, but I guarantee, man, it's turning up when it's going down. It's like they don't even know what I'm on. I guarantee they don't even know where I'm from. I do dirt, jump in the whip, whoosh, I'm gone. That wasn't me, officer, you got the wrong one. It's like, we ain't the same, I can tell. I got brain off the ting, you made of your girl. And I don't really like raving as well, cause anywhere I go, my face raving as hell. Death before dishonor, that's my rule. I'll die before man can make me look like a fool. And lately it's mad, man approach me every day. I don't know if man are trying to beef me or say cool. My bros locked down but minor, he'll be back soon on the wing in designer, smoking fat suits. Said he don't know the gang, but I gas you. GDC, you can tell by the tracksuits. Came a long way from getting kicked out of school. I wanna bag you, I just didn't rate the rules. Fuck GCSEs, you don't need them at all. Didn't get none, boy, look at my jewels. Running to the door and I'm running with my squad. Step through women like, oh my god. Stack, 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 I'm trying to build like Bob. The man talk shit, I'm really on my job. Running to the door and I'm running with my team. GDC, I know you know my G's. I don't give a shit if you don't like me. Just pass me the flame, I wanna smoke my trees. Money, 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 man, that's all I fucking care about. Dickheads buying jewels, but the shirts to fucking wear them out. You know me, I'm running in your crops just to tear them out. I'm the white youth that you always fucking hear about. I don't need sleep, I need weed and some Red Bull. Me and G moving mental in the rentals. Why you think we keep V.SN the whip? Cause we both know it's gotta get plugged if we get pulled. Woke up and I don't know what I've done, but the way my head's pounding, I know that there was rum. I just wanna chill and smoke in the sun, but I'm on holiday so I'm soldiering on. I move different when there's liquor in my system. I don't even skank, my boss one in the kitchen. She wanna see me, she don't care about the distance. Grabbing on my chain, said she loved the way it glistens. Money went up and down went my friends. So I don't need man trying to watch what I spend. And I got nerves trying to tell me I pretend, but I bet these men get punched up in their own ends. 5 bills on the crep, now that's all so common. Gucci polo, this ain't your average cotton. Girl trying to holler me, but I don't want them. Yeah, you got a pretty face, but you got no bottom. Running to the door and I'm running with my squad. Step through women like, oh my god. Stack, 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 I'm trying to build like Bob. The man talk shit, I'm really on my job. Running to the door and I'm running with my team. GDC, I know you know my G's. I don't give a shit if you don't like me. Just pass me the flame, I wanna smoke my trees.
Yes. Santan. ST. Look, I see a lot of men let their jealousy creep in. What you eat with, the girls that you sleep with, what you talk with, walk with, speak with. The first to the motives and last to the meetings. All I know is how to work, bruv. Start off as a worker and that's just how it works, bruv. When I was trying to work, niggas never tried to turn up. But when it's time to turn up, everybody turns up. And I don't know what I was thinking with the tweets about the searches, but when Harry got murdered, man was so emotional, trying to find solutions. I had some good intentions, but I guess I couldn't word them. And life's so funny. I got a message saying that the streets don't love me, the streets don't love you. If you died today, they wouldn't donate to your fucking GoFundMe. A lot of men hate me, but man can't touch me. That's why I got a chuckle, I'm a poet, no Chucky. My mummy trying to wake me up for college in the morning is the only time a human on this earth has ever rushed me. Boy, it's true, I tell the muse that skunk weed is gonna poison you. All you wanna do is go and score a point or two. It's ironic, everybody's got a point to prove. When we were young, we never listened to them older man. How you beefing, man, if you don't even know the man? Before you poke a man, you man wanna expose a man. All for some Instagram clout and exposing gangs. So what's gangster then? Cause I don't really know if I'm honest. When we were young, we had dreams of being bosses, ballers, doctors, lawyers in the office. So how did that turn into dropping out of college? Snaps in a prison cell, bodies in a coffin. London is cursed, this city's got a problem. My bro ain't got a bird, he got an ostrich. A fucking life sentence. So don't talk about experience, I say what I want and that's period. My team's serious, I still got a squad full of lifers. From Dovegate to ISIS, freedom is priceless. And I see a lot of men trying to draw me out. I feel the tension in the air when I walk around. But would you rather be the person talking or the person doing all the things that people talk about? Scratch that, I ain't with a back chat. My mum calls me David, girls call me Santan and fam. I don't give a fuck if you're a bad man, you madman. The only guy I'm dodging is the tax man. They say that fame is a game, and it's true, cause if you say the wrong word then everybody wants to hang man. Ask Serge about the times that I had, man. I brought the fam together like when Tommy got the black hand. And if you got a good girl, you need to keep her close and let her in, because the difference is when things hit the fan, they're gonna disappear. All them side chicks and all the mistresses, all your broskies and your affiliates, and all the man that you were standing in the pictures with, they ain't visiting cause they ain't got a thing to give. I'm a hypocrite, but the line between stopping it and living it, I'm sitting in the thick of it. You would think I told my boys to come party yourself, cause this year I said we need to touch bigger fish. Too many youths are dying and I'm sick of it. Got it.
Fuck off you fat useless sack of fucking Yankee danky doodle shite. Fuck off will you please?